Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to test out the SK semi-auto rifle in my CZ 457 with the IBI pre-fit barrel. I'm going to shoot 10 foulers at the 2-inch sticky down there. Then we'll shoot 5 groups, probably finishing with a 10 shot at the end just to see what it'll do at 50 yards. Do have a little bit of wind. It's hot, humid, overcast skies. The wind's blowing from right to left at about 5 miles an hour. Chronograph, gonna get the speeds and we'll compare them to the 20-inch barrel, the MTR barrel that was on this rifle originally from the factory. A little high and left. Alright, so it's stringed off left a little bit and high. So I'll go down a 10 and we'll go right a 10th as well. 10 foulers out of the way. We got our velocities here. Hopefully it's reading. And on to our first group of 5. Still high and left. We lost one. Lost one left. I'm going to come down a couple clicks. And we'll go right another. Starting to melt. Okay. Next 5-shot group. Center punched it. That was a great group. Probably looking at a 0.2, 0.25 there. Group number 3. I don't know if that was me or what. Can't win them all, I guess. Still a decent group. Not sure if that was the wind. It's moving around pretty good right now. Must have short stroke that one. So we'll finish it off with a 10-shot group now. There's our 10-shot group. Well, let's go check it out. Now let's take a quick look at the magneto speed data. With the new barrel, we took 40 shots. The average speed of the bullet was 1,094 feet per second with an extreme spread of 50 feet per second. And the standard deviation, 13.8, which isn't terrible, it's not great. But now let's compare it to the MTR barrel. So we did 30 shots back when we did this test. Extreme spread of 62, so that was worse than the new IBI barrel. And the standard deviation of 14.4, which is worse than the new barrel now too. And our average velocity was 1158. So I'm kind of surprised we got a little bit more velocity. Maybe temperature difference had something to do with it. But I was hoping with a shorter or a longer barrel, I'd have a little bit less velocity, just to keep them subsonic and more consistent. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll check you guys next week. Take care, guys.